I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares, every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough, you're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal, yeah. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know.
Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another vlog. If you are new here, so much welcome and kindly subscribe. And for the returning subscribers, thank you so much, I really appreciate you. And for those who are returning and have not subscribed, kindly subscribe. Please subscribe before you continue. Yes, thank you. And so guys, I'm doing this intro after cleaning, and so I want to take shower and head out. Maybe I'll be going to the beach. And so guys, stay tuned. Come with me to the beach or wherever I'll be going, and make sure you like this video, give it a thumbs up, comment, share and subscribe and like kindly. Subscribe and turn on the notification bell. So stay tuned, come with me and enjoy watching this video. And so this was my fit for the day. I had a black top, a blue short and Crocs, yeah. So I was enjoying the nature. I thought this was mapera. I don't know if you guys know mapera, some type of fruit. I think it's called guavas in English, if I'm not wrong. So I also enjoyed looking at the coconuts, yeah. And by the way, I've been living in this place for so long, for more than 4 years now, and I've never tasted madafu. So I'm going to taste them today, and I can't wait. I'm so excited. Yeah, and I also rarely eat the coconuts. I'm not a fan. So let's go. Guys, I'm almost there. As you can see. Hii barabara inakaa poa. The road looks good. It's clean, the nature. Look at that. Kwenye nimetoka. Look at that. This other side ndo kuna manyumba. And I also did some exercise on the way because I was going by foot. Yeah. I ran, I jumped, I did almost everything. Yes, part of exercise, getting fit. Here I was already tired. I was done. Na sijafika bado. But we're almost there. Almost. Yes, so tushafika. Look at that, guys. Look at that. It's a big snail. Ama sijui hata ni nini. It's so big. Look at that. Guys, look at that. I don't know what it is.
I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to a girl, and hope she doesn't tear it all down. And like a little strand of her hair, a piece of her will always be found on my pillow in the shirts that I wear. Her laugh was always my favorite sound. You know I always loved all the ways you made me feel. There's nothing that compares, every day it felt so real. I couldn't get enough, you're the one whose time I'd steal. You showed me how to love, how to open up and deal, yeah. You used to call my place home, cause we never felt used to call my place home, 'cause we never felt alone. You're the only one I want, that's the only thing I know. Sometimes I don't wanna wake up, I stay in bed for the day, yeah. I think about.
So guys, I basically just enjoyed the breeze. I didn't swim, I just enjoyed the breeze. Yeah, enjoyed watching people swim, surf, do all those things. But me we naogopa maji. So believe me when I tell you this crab almost beat me, karibu iniume. And so I followed it and recorded it. Yeah, tasted some madafu finally. Didn't like it that much. I think it's overrated. So enjoying people do all those water stuffs, but me, I can't swim. I don't know how to swim, and I also fear water. And so that's me running, going back home after enjoying the sun and the breeze and the fresh air and the nature. And yeah, I had a great day. I also hope you enjoyed watching this video. And if you did, kindly like or give it a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe if you have not subscribed, and turn on the notification bell. We'll meet again in the next video. Bye.
I opened up my eyes to the world, I opened up my mind to it now. I opened up my heart to